Here's my updated entry for Cuba's Droid Monster Contest. I added a little bit more right there. Added 2 bodies right there. That's the same, but that's right there. It can be connected to any, and then the body's controlled by more guns. Cause with another droid right there, I can have another gun. You could just like put the arms right there, forward, and put 2 more guns on there. Or find a way to put a gun on this. I don't know. But here's my updated version.